Yes! Yes! Sweet! That is so cool. Nice. That is awesome. I'm glad I left when I did, and I did now. That is. You guys want to see a harvester up close? That's. Sorry for my language. I'll have to edit that. That is awesome. You want to get some, That is cool. That is really cool. That is so unbelievably cool. Nice old school New Highland harvester for the DJ crew. Yeah, trailer. All right, here we go. We're back at Randy's Cycle here. Beautiful shop out in Marengo, Illinois. I have my Zero that I just purchased, traded that blue T-Max over in there, but I had a problem on the Zero immediately, so brought it back, and I basically just brought my T-Max home for a little bit, so we just now found out what's actually going on with it. And now that we found out what's going on with it, and someone has already put a deposit on the T-Max and wants it, they had to give me another bike to take home until mine's fixed. Awfully nice of them, awfully beautiful of them. So we got the Zero FXE. I don't know if it's 2022 or what year exactly it is, because like I said, it's not mine. I'm just going to be borrowing it until mine is fixed. So we got this thing going here. 7.2 battery. It's on, so I'm not going to mess around here too much. Just get going. My legs were cramping anyway. So, all right, we should be ready to roll. Because they definitely did good to me.